Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, also known as Sockmatician, and welcome to this series of special video tutorials filmed to accompany my book, Guys Knit. This video relates to the tutorial found on page 106 and shows how to work the knit one, yarn over, knit one, a symmetrical double increase, also known as the KYOK or KYOK.
KYOK. I just like saying it. This is my favourite type of double increase. I like it because it's entirely symmetrical. I like it because it's very easy. It creates 3 stitches out of 1 and therefore is a double increase, creating 2 stitches that weren't there before. This is the stitch we're going to create those 3 stitches from, and the first stage is to knit into that stitch, but do not slide it off the left hand needle just yet. Then I'm going to create a yarn over around the right hand needle, and then I'm going to pop the right hand needle back into the original stitch in exactly the same way. There's no front and back nonsense to worry about with this increase. Wrap the yarn around it, pull the loop through, and now we can slip this original stitch off the left hand needle. And there. Can you see we've got 3 distinct and separate stitches coming from one parent stitch, and that's the knit one, yarn over, knit one. Let me show you that one more time. So first of all, we're going to knit into that stitch, leaving it on the needle. We then yarn over, literally just wrapping the yarn round the right hand needle, again in an anti-clockwise direction as always. Right hand needle goes back into the same stitch. We wrap one more time to create a new knit stitch and then slide off, and there are our 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3 from 1, the knit one, yarn over, knit one double increase.